Stage 2, molding.
Now our elephants smash the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3, minifigure production.
Right! Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Lego-matic, turning you into a Lego minifigure. Yes, the machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another. Hold on, everyone, this is it.
Stage 4, packaging.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure.
Stage 5, dispatch.
It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers.
That's it. She's in my little thing first. Now, let's get on the road. We've got to